How's it going, guys? Hope you're having a good one. It's Friday. Time to have some fun. But in this video I'm gonna just be giving you guys a POV. Nothing crazy, just driving around. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's get into it. Don't forget to leave a subscribe. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I'm new to this shit. Try not to, roast me so much. Let's get into it. Get. I haven't had one of these in a while. Get it. God damn. She look good. And body lines though. Sheesh. She a little bit dirty. I haven't washed her in like a week. She'll be clean though. She'll get clean. There's some of that 91. Surprise, gas prices ain't too bad. Before they were outrageous, but 5.2, 5.4. Get you guys some B-roll real quick. I just left the gas station, put in 91, and I only put in $55, and surprisingly, got me up to 319. I'm surprised. This thing was like at 90 miles. $55 got me up to 319. Not too bad. Hopefully, though, we get on that. on that corn. Been wanting to put some E85 in this thing for a while, but we gonna get that in soon. Well, scratch the POV video idea. Too much traffic. Hasn't opened up at all. I'll pick up the camera when freeway opens up. This is from a week of not washing her. Damn, she filthy.